December 16th, 2020, Fluency. Albert weighs 82.5 pounds. Melissa weighs 62 and 4/10 pounds. And Jack weighs 101 and 6/10 pounds. An elevator can carry 4 times their total weight. How many pounds can the elevator carry? All right, so if they all weigh these amounts, it says the elevator can carry 4 times their total weight. So first what we need to do is figure out their total weight. Ooh, I don't like how it looks like that. I meant to highlight. There we go. So their total weight means we're going to add. Now when we're adding, remember we have to line them up. Line up those decimals. All right, so 82 and 5/10 are 82.5 pounds. We're going to add 62 and 4/10 pounds for Melissa. So 62 and 4/10, and 101. Yes, make sure we're lining up those decimals. 101, woo, 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 and 6 pounds. Alrighty, now we're going to add them up. So when we add them up, we get 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15. I'm going to carry that 1 and drop that 5. What do I do with that decimal? Boom, ba boom, ba boom, ba boom. Boop. Drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. I tried to do the song there. I'm not very good at it. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 8 plus 6, well, we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Carry that 1, drop that 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 246 pounds is their total weight. Now, we need to multiply it by how many times? It says 4 times their weight it can hold, the elevator. So 4 times that. So we're going to multiply by 4. Woohoo! And I'm also going to put these 1s back over here because, oh my goodness. All right. So we're going to take that number and we're going to multiply by 4. So I am going to get rid of that so I have a little more space. I'm going to multiply by 4. Remember, we do not need to line up our decimals when we're multiplying. We'll put the decimal in afterwards. 4 times 5 is 20. I'm going to carry that 2, drop that 0. 4 times 6, or 6 times 4, is 24. Plus 2, 25, and 26. Carry that 2, drop that 6. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 2, 17, 18. Carry that 1, drop that 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Now, the decimal, how many swoops are we going in? Let's see, we go in 1 swoop. That's it, in 1 swoop total. So in our answer, we're going to go in 1 swoop. Zoop. And the decimal is going in between 6 and 0. So our answer is going to be 986. You can put that decimal with 0, or you can leave it as 986 pounds. We're going to label it as pounds. So that's how much the elevator can hold. And that is it for our fluency. Great job.